Hey, welcome back guys to YouTube channel Dynamic Modeling of the Cities. Today what we are going to do is download Greeble and use on that. So first you need to open the Google and go to the my clank Greeble stuff. So on over here what you can do is whichever software 3ds max version you have, you just have to go to that link and download from the clanky software, and it's from over here. When it's downloaded, you have to open the zip file, and what you need to do is first go to the zip file and copy the zip file, open or extract whichever you need to the desktop or whatever area you want to do. So paste it over here. Yeah, replace the file destination. Yeah, it's already done. So what you can do, just open the 3ds max and go to the customize folder over here and go to the user path, and what you need to do is go to the third party plugins, and from over here just need to add, and from over here whichever place you have already put it over here, just add and okay. So what we are just doing some basic stuff for the Greeble. So just making a plane length, you can do whatever you like, 100 by 100, and some segments is like 12, and width segments is also 12. Okay, so what you need to do is go to the modifier list, and after that what you need now what we are going to do is going to the modifier list and then go to the Greeble, and yeah, just select it, and you can see there is already city is already up. So what we are going to do is from over here, what you can do is put the maximum heights like 10 meter, like minimum heights like 2 meter, whatever you want to walk. So like from here you can also select the faces from here, generate all the things over here. Maximum sizes of the grain like 15 meter, maximum size 67 meter, or whatever maximum height is like 56 meter. I don't know, whichever you want to put is you can do it. This is what we had made in the square, but I think you remember the Star Wars movie, right? So we can do it on the sphere also. So just to make a sphere, and what we are going to do is scribble the sphere, and you can see the Greeble is really quite turned out really nice. So we can just put the maximum height 5, and yes, you can see the Greeble is out. So I hope you know how to install the Greeble and how to work the basic of the Greebles. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much.